Hi, welcome to another edition of Midlife Rising. My name is Greg. Today we're going to hit a lake nearby at the town of Sioux called Binkhorn. It's a big Blinkhorn Lake. Okay, used to have a trail up to the top of Mount Blinkhorn, but it's now private property, so you cannot go up. But the lake's still there. It's still pretty. It's really cloudy, about to rain, so I figure I'm gonna knock this off real quick before I set on my way. Had to do some business in Souk and on my way back. So while on the way, I might as well enjoy some nature on the way as well. All right, hope you enjoyed the vlog. Take care and enjoy the vlog. Alrighty, take care. Okay, unfortunately, the top of Mount Blinkhorn is private land. This trail has been decommissioned. You are not allowed to go on it. It is a no trespassing. So just to let you know so you can go on all trails and easements along the park, but you cannot go up to the top. It's private land. All right, just want to give you a heads up. If there are some guidebooks that will have the Mount Blinkhorn Trail on there, it doesn't exist. You can write that off. All righty, take care. See you. Bye. I discussed this on an earlier vlog, but I do have to say something. Many of the peaks in Metchosin are now under developers. There's a number of lookouts you will see. They are in trail guides, and last summer I was trying to get many of them, and virtually all of them now have no trespassing signs. So if you were to hike, I would not hike any book reliable in Metchosin that is earlier in 2020 is incorrect. I would not choose any book in the Metchosin area, and really watch all your websites and stuff like that and verify and have backup plans, because there's a lot of development going on, a lot of development rights. So do not, if you do hike in this area, use caution. This right here, Blinkhorn Lake, is a public park. It has an easement of public property. However, the summit is on private land, and just keep that in mind. Okay, we wrapped up that light walk, hike, whatever you want to call it, around this lake. A couple things I note. It's a pretty park. The woods are very pretty. Very, very, very pretty. However, there's only two accesses to the lake. One's kind of a primitive access where I have to walk on one log, and the other one's a more open access. If you're going on this park to look for any views of Mount Blinkhorn, the only find is occasional wooded view of Mount Blinkhorn. That's it. So yeah, not only is the land private, you can't get to the summit, but you also can't see it, or you're seeing bits and pieces through the trees. I think that's probably by design. But that being said, pretty park nonetheless. Would I make it a priority if I was visiting from far away to visit this park? I probably would choose the Sooke Hills beforehand. Peden Lake's much prettier. You know, a lot of the other lakes up there, the mountains are very pretty. Anyway, and yeah, that would probably be a better call. If you want a good view of the Strait of Juan de Fuca and Olympic Mountains from a top peak, Mill Hill will probably do just fine. There are plenty of beautiful stuff in the Sooke Hills to go to, and there's plenty of stuff down the road. Still a nice park, don't get me wrong. I love it. I think the residents enjoy the park, and it's a pretty park, and the lake's pretty. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the vlog. Take care. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next vlog. Hopefully get us some peaks or something like that pretty soon. You know, the surfing's good, going on fire. Hopefully I can follow up with some good hiking after that. Alrighty, take care. See you next vlog.